let's go to question number 4. In the question number 4, your A, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Here also I'm going to find the distance. I'm going to find the distance only, the distance of AB. Suppose I'm finding the distance of AB. This is root over. I see the x coordinate. X coordinate is first one 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus in the formula. When you have a minus in y coordinate, it becomes plus 2 whole square. Now that turn out to be 6 minus 5, 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2, 6 plus square is 36. So you will get under root 37. What about the BC length, the other one? So let us take what we call the x coordinates. The x coordinates are 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. So here you will get 1 plus again 36. So you got again root 37. What about the last one? See, when you are finding difficulty in taking this, I just take a change of color for you. So see this underline one is x and that up one is y. This is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. Now I'm trying for AC. When I'm trying for AC, the root over the down one, you see 7. Then I have a minus 5 whole square. I hope it is clear to you. Now up one arrow you take minus 2, and then here minus in the formula. When you have a minus 2 become plus 2. See, you have to change the sign for the next term only. If it is minus, it becomes plus. If it is plus, it becomes minus. Whereas in this also it is plus 2. I directly wrote. If you can understand, then it is very good. Now this is 0, and what about this 2 square, that is 4, that is 2. Now I can say AB equal to BC. So the two sides are equal in a triangle. That means triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. What about the next one? It's a very simple question. The question number 5 in your NCERT. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, and C and D. Champa and Chemeli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chemeli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Now we have to show whether this is a square or not. Now Chemeli disagrees. Using the distance formula, find the correct one. So before finding, I'd like to, I will change the color, yellow color may be matching with it. Let us take a dark red color. Okay, this point A is having the coordinate. What is the coordinate of A? X coordinate is 3 and the y coordinate is 4. You can see here, okay, perpendicular line. X is 3 and y is 4. Similarly, what about B? You can drop down till here. The x is 6 and then y is 7. Okay. What about C? The x is 9 and y is 4. What about D? X is 6 and y is 1. Okay. I hope it is done. Now what I do here, I just join this point A and B, find out AB distance. So, and then I will join B and C, then I will join C and D, then I will join D and A. This first I will find, this second I will find, this third I will find, and this one fourth time. Now I'll find these all and we'll check whether these all are coming same or not. If it comes same, then it is a square, because in square all sides are equal. Now I go for AB. Now AB, B 6 minus You have to write the root, that's the formula. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. So simplification, 6 minus 3, 3 square, that is 9 plus 7 minus 4, 3 square, 9, that is root 18. What about the second one distance, that is B to C? 9 and 6, that means 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. Simple. This is 3 square 9 and this is again 9. See here, this is also coming correct. Means it is equal. The first distance and second distance have come equal. Let's go for the third one, that is CD distance. Now D is a 6 minus 9, okay? 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. I hope it is clear to you. Now it is 9 plus 9 again, that is root 18. You can simplify slowly, you'll get all the answers same, I believe. That is the last one. The fourth one, 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So it has come out to be again 9 plus 9, so root 18. So what I have got AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All the sides are same. What about the diagonals? If you try to find the diagonals, what is the diagonal here? This is parallel to, okay, but I would like to change the color if you want. I'll go over the dark again. Now, if I join the points A and C, whence are diagonal, okay? Where I have a diagonal over there, A and C, if I have a diagonal over there, if I join these points A and C, here the y coordinate is same. If you do the difference, you will get 0. Whatever the x coordinate, 9, say 3, 9 minus 3, that is 6 units. What about these diagonals, means B to DM? We can write 7 minus 1, okay, here 6 is same, and 7 minus 1, that is also 6. So this diagonal, I got BD is equal to AC, the diagonal also same. So ABCD is a square.